Hi everyone, welcome to the York County Public Library Summer Reading Program, where we're imagining our stories every day. I'm Miss Jenna, and today I'm going to present a very special art project designed for you by Miss Lori. In today's craft, we're going to learn about the very first stories. People have always told stories, but they haven't always had books. In the very first stories, they were told around fires, and then they were later written on cave walls in pictures, and they often used rocks and paint. So the very first stories were often about hunting because feeding the family and tribe was very, very important. I have some examples of pictographs showing special and famous fairy tales. Let's see if we can figure these out together. So here we have a pictograph of a woman with red around her, a wolf, and another woman with gray hair. What do you think that could be? It's Little Red Riding Hood. Next, we have another example. So we have a little girl, a little boy, and a house with candy canes on it. What story does that remind you of? That's right, it's Hansel and Gretel. Using brown paper, white paper, crayons, chalk, markers, pastels, and more, you can create your own stories. To add a little special effect, you can also crumple your paper before or after you draw on it to look like this. View the links in the description below for more resources on native art and pictographs. Our summer reading program starts June 22nd, and more programming will be available on social media. Just search for York County Public Library, and don't forget to like and subscribe our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.